Hello, Ethan and Lily. Today we learn special letters called vowels.
Miss Grace, what makes these letters special?
These 5 letters help us build many words. These 5 letters are vowels. Every English word uses at least one vowel.
So vowels are very important for reading?
Yes, Lily. Without vowels, words would be very hard to read. Listen carefully. Each word uses vowel A at the beginning.
An apple, an apple.
An ant,
An ant,
an axe.
an axe.
These words use vowel E inside the word.
A bed,
Yes, a bed.
a bell.
Right, a bell. And a pen. These words have the vowel I making the short sound. A
A
pin,
pin, a fish,
a fish.
a lid.
Here, the vowel O helps make these words. A dog, a fox, a pot.
Oh, I see. So O makes the sound?
Exactly. You're both doing great. These words use vowel U in the sun, a bus, a cup.
I see it. The U is in the middle.
Exactly. Great job.
Yeah, thanks.
Can you find the vowel in each word?
I see A in apple. I found E in bed.
Great job, everyone. You're so smart. Now we learn short vowel sounds. Short vowels make quick sounds like e, I, o, u. Short A sounds like A in cat.
Cat,
Bat,
bat.
map. Very good, everyone. Look at cat, sat, and bat. The vowel A makes a short sound like ah. Listen slowly. K-at. The vowel A says short A.
I found the short A sound in every word.
Wonderful, Lily. Short vowels help us read words quickly. Let's match pictures with words. Look carefully for the vowel A sound. Look, children, the words map, bat, and cat all...
Map, bat, cat.
Excellent, you found the short A sound. Now look at bed, red, and hen. Listen slowly. The vowel E says short E.
The sound is like right, Miss Grace?
Yes, Ethan. Short E sounds like in bed, red, and hen.
I see 4 words with vowel E.
Great observation, Lily. Vowels help words make sounds. Now look at pig, bin, and lip. Listen carefully. P-I-G, B-I-N, L-I-P. The vowel I says short E.
It sounds like right?
Yes, Ethan. Short I sounds like in pig. Listen slowly. Pig, bin, and lip.
I can hear the E sound in every word.
Perfect, Lily. Short vowels appear in many simple words. Look at dog, log, and box. The vowel O makes the short O sound. Listen carefully. Dog, log, and box have vowel O in them.
The sound is like in dog.
Exactly, Ethan. That is the short O sound. Look at dog, on, and log. These words use the short O sound.
I see the O vowel 3 times.
Excellent, Lily. Finding vowels helps us read sentences. Look at sun, bus, and cup. The vowel U makes short oo sound.
It sounds like right?
Yes, Ethan. Short sounds like in sun. Look at bus, under, and sun. Each word uses vowel U.
I hear the sound again.
Wonderful, Lily. That is the short U sound.
Short U.
Now we learn long vowels. Long vowels say their letter names. For example, long A says A, just like the alphabet.
Wow, cool.
That's right. You're doing great.
So vowels can make different sounds?
Yes, Ethan. Vowels can be short or long. Look at cake, rain, and train. The vowel A says its name.
I hear the letter saying its name.
Exactly, Lily. That is a long vowel sound. Look at cake and plate. Both words have the long A sound. Listen slowly. Cake and plate, in these words, letter A is long.
Oh, like in bake? Exactly. And game.
Perfect. Look at tree, C, and B. The vowel E makes a long sound in these words.
The E sound in tree and B is long.
Yes, Lily. That is the long E sound.
I hear the long I sound in bike, kite, and mite.
Great listening, Lily. Bike, kite, and lime. The vowel I is long in these words. Look at home, rope, and nose. The vowel O is longer in these words.
Oh, yes. Home, rope, and nose have the long O sound in them.
Look at cube, mule, and flute. The vowel U is long in these words.
Yes, Miss Grace, cube and mule have long U sound.
Today we learned vowels A, E, I, O, and U. These letters help us read many words.
Learning vowels loves everyone.
Keep practicing reading words with vowels every day. Bye-bye, children.
Bye-bye.
Like, share, and subscribe to learn more.
Yay!